cold start. Picking up Devin. Couldn't ride his bike today. We about to go do some donuts. I need a camera guy. What's up, bro?
Hey, bud.
What's going on?
The GM truck was late this morning.
All right.
So those Corvette parts didn't get out.
All right, that sucks.
They're here now, so we'll have them to you in the morning.
Man, you could cancel it. I'm about to get them somewhere else today.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm sorry about that.
It's all good, bro.
All right.
All right.
I would cut really hard right about now.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Ain't cut hard enough, nigga.
I need a cameraman, bro. I'm about to do some donuts.
She's crazy. And it's way too slick right here.
It's what now?
It's way too slick right here. You gonna end up in the road. It wasn't too bad. It actually stayed in one little area.
I don't know.
Bro, it is like 7 o'clock in the morning.
So
what is this?
For real. What's up, YouTube? It's Diamond's Car Visions, and today we are going to be prepping the Z06 for Texas 2K, and I'm so excited because I love Texas 2K. I go every year. I'm gonna be taking y'all this year on the trip, but first we gotta prep the Z06. We gotta change the oil, check the tires, we gotta get it to the alignment shop. We got a lot of little things to do to it. So first thing we're gonna do is get everything together for it. I got my little bag of goodies, new brake pads, call them chicken nuggets. We got Mobile One all filter, and then we got VR1 straight 50 weight. So let's get everything outside and we're gonna get started. And it's beautiful out here today. About to make a mess. Man, golly, boy, I tightened the hell out of this thing the last rip. There we go. There we go. Man, that all is dark. This all only has 500 miles on it. And look how dark it is. I tried every socket in the drawer, put the old negotiator on. Z06 has 2 all drains, one here and one here. That's because of the dry slump. Dang, so ain't nobody wanna work with me today. There we go. Little Kung Fu kick. Ooh, on the money. Ooh, there we go. I normally change the oil on this car every 500 miles because it's a rough 500 miles. Make sure I keep the oil fresh in it. And this oil actually has a couple dyno pulls on it, so it's real nice and banged up. All right, back that thing. Back that thing up. Go ahead and hit them. Yeah.
I didn't know they actually had a high beam function on it.
Yeah. Ooh, that's a pretty truck. All right, now I can get back to what I'm doing. I'm trying to prep my car for Texas 2K. Y'all same body? Gotta check out my workbench. I'm using the V. Eesh. Stay. I got my water, brakes. God dang. No dry start on this thing. Put a little oil on the gasket. I'll shove it up there. And I normally just hand tighten it. I don't try to He-Man it on there. So as I was saying earlier, I normally change the oil on this car every 500 miles because I beat on it. All my guys out there that got high performance cars, you know what I'm talking about. We want to change that oil every time. Now we're working on brakes. The Corvette has chicken nuggets for brake pads.
Chicken nuggets.
Brake pads.
Now this makes me feel so much safer riding with you doing 180.
We got new pads, we can do 180 now.
Yeah.
We was limited to 160. We got Junior over here on his first oil change.
Junior!
Let's check him out. He on his first oil change over here, y'all. He's a vehicle version. Good down there? You need me to hold your hand? Let me see if he gonna get it flowing and he'll get oil down his arm. Uh oh, here we go. Oh, he got it.
Warm on hand.
Just on the hand, he made it. I'm a proud dad. So what we doing here, D? You putting them chicken nuggets in?
Put them chicken nuggets, man.
Them things are warm. We had pad life, but they was done. Mm-hmm.
Really? See my nostrils? I got some boogers in my nose.
Nah, we good, bro. Here at Automotive Alignment in Lake Charles. This car was $3,600 back in 3/16/66. Man, this car is like it came from the factory. Hairliner intact. I'm trying to figure out what it is. Lee, what you call this car? A Coronet?
426 Hemi.
Coronet, okay. Dodge Coronet. Man, this thing look all original.
Oh yeah.
Oh, y'all got it off the cab off the frame? That's what I'm talking about. It was hitting the front, or what happened?
And when they put the lift kits on, they cut the frame out. So this can fast. Being modified, it's not going to straighten properly.
Tweak the whole frame. You know what they say? Take shortcuts, you get cut short. That's normally what happens. They do frames. Say my car's here that we're doing repairs on for all our alignments and major frame work. We do minor frame work. They do major frame work. What's up, Seth? This is Seth's 2019 Corvette Z01. This thing is beautiful. We're about to roll out the Texas 2K. We just finished washing the cars up. I got the trailer and truck ready to go. About to load the car on the trailer. We gotta put the finishing touches on it. As you can see, we had a boo-boo. About to put a Band-Aid on it. The other part about it is I keep this in the car because I'm always banging this thing up. I got a brand new one, but I'm not gonna put it on till after we get back to Texas. I don't call these stickers on my car, I call them tattoos. It's like if your car ain't tatted up, man, you ain't living life.
What to say, man? I gotta get some ink on my car then.
Yeah.
That's nice.
That's it right there, baby. Alright, the main thing when I'm loading it, because the car is so wide, like I'm gonna have like this much room.
Like he's getting out.
You too old to climb out of that stuff like that.
Like he's climbing out of Monte Carlo or something.
This car keeps me young, bro.
Earlier, Dom did a pull so hard that his tail light flew out.